As a concrete worker, you know that the sun and summer temperatures are not your friend. Placing concrete in hot weather conditions presents a variety of unique problems. One of the primary challenges in hot weather concrete is faster set times. As the temperatures rise, concrete hydration occurs at a faster rate, reducing the working time and the workability of the mix. So not only will the concrete start to set up faster, but it will be more difficult to properly place and finish, which increases the risk of surface level cracking. You can combat the effects of the heat on your concrete by using Fritz-Pak's delayed set admixtures. Just add the products to the concrete, mix for 5 minutes, and then continue placing and finishing the concrete as normal. 1 bag of mini delayed set will slow down the setting time of 1 yard of concrete by 1 hour. And 1 bag of our standard delayed set will slow down 4 yards of concrete by 1 hour. And if your crew needs more time, then just add more bags. You don't need to rush and struggle on those hot summer days when you use our delayed set products. So don't wait until you are caught in the heat with a quick setting load of concrete. Visit us online at Fritz-Pak.com to order your case of Fritz-Pak's mini delayed set or standard delayed set today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our social media channels for more information about how our products can improve your concrete.